Hello everyone and welcome to English Time. Today's lesson is Can you find the mistakes? So there are 2 mistakes and you have 10 seconds. So today doing Welcome to Japan and doing in Nantoka, we have Nantoka. So here is season, so spring, summer, fall, and winter. And here is events. So let's get started. So the first one, in fall, we have hanami. So in fall, we have hanami. So 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you find the mistakes? The first mistake is here. This is a full, so I'm full. So fall would be an A, but with hanami is a spring event. So you don't want fall, which is aki. You want spring. So haru. And the second mistake is with hanami. Here you want an M instead of an N. So this would be hanani. So you want hanami. So please repeat. So in spring, we have hanami. Very good. Once more. In spring, we have hanami. Very good. Next one. In summer, we have a snow festival. In summer, we have a snow festival. So 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you find the mistakes? The first mistake has to do with snow, which is yuki, and summer, which is natsu, so they don't match. So for snow, you'd want, instead of summer, winter. So in winter. And the second mistake is with festival. So here, you have fast, which is hayai. So instead of A, you want E. So please repeat. In winter, we have a snow festival. Very good. Once more. In winter, we have a snow festival. Very good. So next one. In summer, we have a fire flower festival. In summer, we have a fire flower festival. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you find the mistakes? So the first mistake is here with in. So for the first letter, you want a big I. You want omoji instead of komoji. And the second mistake is with fire flower. So fire flower is like in Mario games. I like Mario very much. And for hanabi is actually works. You want fireworks. So please repeat. In summer, we have a fireworks festival. Very good. Once more. In summer, we have a fireworks festival. Very good. So next one. In winter, we have oshogatsu. In winter, we have oshogatsu. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you find the mistakes? So both mistakes are with oshogatsu. So here you have ocho, and here cats. So cats, or nego in Japanese. So I like cats. And ocho is actually Spanish. So Spanish for 8. So 8 cats. So for numbers, in English, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In Spanish, it is uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. So please repeat. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. So please repeat. So in winter, we have oshogatsu. So in winter, we have oshogatsu, not 8 cats. And last one. In fall, we have Chichi Stop Sun. In fall, we have Chichi Stop Sun. So 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But did you find the mistakes? So the first mistake is with have. So the B, you want B. And the next mistake is with Shichi Go-san. So here you have stop instead of go. So please repeat. So in fall, we have Shichi Go-san. Once more. In fall, we have Shichi Go-san. So that's all for today for English time. So goodbye, everyone, and see you next time. See you.